So how long will it take for you, because when you incur our system, your diesel consumption will go down, your cost for diesel will go down. So the savings you achieve from diesel consumption, how long will it take with those savings to pay off our system? So in this country, if you're using $100,000 is your annual diesel bill, then our system will probably cost you $275,000 to $300,000. So when you install our system, from the day you install our system, you will not be paying that $100,000 a year. But you will pay us $300,000 on the first day. But after 3 years, you would have recovered that from the diesel savings. So that's what payback is. Okay? So land area, basically there's a simple formula, and I can tell you here, I don't know about Nigeria because we don't know the irradiation. But in the UAE and in Pakistan, the land area to generate 6 kilowatt hours of energy, you need 8 square meters. So Mr. Waseem is saying in Nigeria, to generate 6 kilowatt hours of energy per day, we will need 10 square meters. So you asked for cost, and cost. In between you said, how do you downsize the generator? So I'll address the cost issue. The cost actually, I think I know the price of diesel in Nigeria. It's about $1 a liter. Yeah? So at $1 a liter, if you replace a diesel generator with our system, whatever the cost of the system will be 3 times your diesel generator bill. 3 years worth of diesel generator, without even looking at the system. Because per cost per watt or cost per kilowatt is actually a very difficult metric to have across the board, because systems have so many variables in them: energy consumption, storage, size of the mix. Sometimes the mix is large, energy is low. So per watt cost is impossible to estimate. But the payback from a business perspective is what everyone's looking at. How long will it take to blow my mind? And in terms of the reduction of the generator, I hand it over to Mr. Waseem. How and why is it possible? The lifespan. So there are 3 elements in a complete system. There's the PV panels, the MICC, and the battery banks. Okay, so the PV panels, the lifespan that would be applicable is the warranty period of the PV panels. So the PV panels have a lifespan of 40 years but a warranty of 25. And now, since there's no PV panel manufacturer in the world that's 40 years old, I can't safely say that it's going to be 40 years, but 25 has been achieved. So the lifespan of the entire system is 25 years, because the PV panels are 25 years. The MICC, the lifespan is also 25 years. And the battery bank, the batteries are 5 years. So every 6th year you have to change your batteries. But because of our technology, you use much fewer batteries, and that cost has been factored into calculating the 5 to 8 cents.
So question about downsizing the generator. It totally depends. Normally we take a survey of the electrical environment you have, here the load conditions, and we take the complete power analysis of the line. The downsizing is totally dependent on the power losses which are coming on the line, and these power losses are mainly due to the power factor and harmonics generated through the loads. If you have a higher inductive load, you will get more downsizing, because the MICC will be able to correct the power factor and suppress the harmonics